Today we're standing in Ascot Hills Park. I wanted to show you what it's like to live in East LA and what it's like to hang out here. So if you ever want to hike, this is a perfect place to come to. I mean, look at that view. Let's go check it out. Ascot Hills Park is a great amenity that belongs to the neighborhood of El Sereno. This is a 2-mile loop trail, usually used for hiking, running, nature trips, and it's open year-round. If you don't have a gym membership, it's a motivating place to work out.